Hey, it's Andy from RightBlogger, and today I wanted to show you the advanced instructions field. Now, I often think that this feature in RightBlogger is often overlooked, so let's dive in. Now, most of our tools offer this option, so I'm just going to start out with the post title tool. And you can see here it's underneath the advanced area. It says additional instructions. Now, what this field does is it lets you add any instructions to the AI that you want to give it more of a fine tune of exactly what kind of output you want. So let me, for a topic, put best dog breeds. So we're going to get post titles involving dog breeds, and I'm going to hit generate. Now you can see here it actually has the wrong year. Easy dog breed, things like that. Okay, let me go back and actually edit and rerun. And under additional instructions, I'm going to write only mention puppies. And the current year is 2024. And let's hit generate. So basically in this field, you can give any instruction you want to the AI. The possibilities are really unlimited. Now you can see I'm getting all titles with the 2024 in there, and they're all revolving around puppies. You can use this field in many tools. You can also use it to include certain keywords or key phrases, or you can give it extra instructions that just make the prompt a little more fun. So you can be like, make it super clickbait. Now let's see what it comes up with now. And see, now you can see they're a bit more clickbaity worthy. Puppy breeds for apartments, things like that. Overall, if you just want to fine tune exactly what you want more in RightBlogger, the additional instructions field is there for you.